Tackle now. Go on, Manu. Go on, Manu. Danny, Emmanuel, this side, this side. Snake it. Right, Danny, get it through the hand, Emmanuel, bring a tap. Hand. Oh, Danny.
Mark.
Oes modd i dyfarwyr angen 8 mynd nôl i'r geosgopna. Could all pitch referees decide to take return to pitch 8, please?
Accidental, guys. It wasn't intentional. Well done, and lucky. Spread out, Fitzhugh.
That's so funny. We played Everton in the quarterfinals. They nearly beat us because he was giving them penalties from knock ons. I don't know.
We don't know.
He's very biased to us.
He's very, yeah.
Every age group he is. I
Every
remember
age group.
watching my old girlfriend against Caldecott in the semis like 3 years ago. It was quite horrendous. The thing is, when you have a ref like that, you can't actually play. It just takes away the game. So, do we need to win this game?
No, we're already gone. But let's try win them.
Yes, unlucky Roman.
That talk, but he's dumb people. If it's that boy,
We don't have
he needs
respect.
that tall, but I've done like every person.
Oh, is he 9? Is he 9?
I played 12. I played 12, right? And we played like 23. And it was just cool. He's like that tall, but he's done like everywhere. And he
Was it this set?
He literally picked me up and just dumped me.
43. We lost like 50.
We're not much.
Made
It was like 35. We weren't like that.
I say 36, 19.
We did score. We did score.
Yeah.
Wait, no, Ponty Queen.
Whenever you play at home, you play a bit better. Sometimes, if you lose at home, you play better away. Like Sunday, we played this team, and they were literally lost every game, but we lost every game. Now we got on Sunday. But we'll win against them Sunday. We have a
Boys, Year 8 games will start at 2021. The following teams, please.
Didn't Tyler lose the NHSOB at the weekend?
Yeah. Al Haim, pitch 1. Ysgol West Monmouth, and ending Ysgol Am. Al Caidau, pitch 2. Ysgol Am Tar, and ending Ysgol Bishop
It's good.
Caldar.
It's good in there.
Slimmy Chef.
It's got. Did you go to the massive swimming pool place?
Yeah.
Cae 3, pitch 3. Ysgol
No, there's a massive like water park there.
No, massive. It's a couple of slides. This one big slide. This says rainbow slides. Like that little kid. Dragon Cliff. Yeah, you think it's massive. Then it's just one big pool with a kiddie.
I've been to one yet, and it was like
Pitch
Right.
6.
these like three rugby pitches like smashed together. Yeah, we
That's not Devon Cliff.
It was somewhere.
It's not Devon Cliff. It's like that. No,
I remember in Rosit.
So we didn't go to see
I don't know. I remember in Rosit. Miles was like, I'm gonna get. Oh yeah. Like, all right, girls, and then it's like,
It seems like,
it's pretty
these are the teams that
So, it's a team of stuff. Very different to the start.
It's fierce.
I think he's on to now.
Camps went up to Tanya.
Because he like got one point around him. So he wanted to play around. Cam was just skiing by one point. Everyone is, but I don't mind. I'll always attempt to attack him, but I don't bump it.
Oh, that was a speed bump. Oh, that'd be a
I'll
speed
nail
bump.
it.
Oh no, that boy put the ball in on the 5-metre line.
That's what happened on the weekend against Tondi.
They like younger
I was
than
chasing
us.
down a kid and I tackled him on the 5-metre line and he thought it was a turtle. They are like your
I don't know why, but it's more harder playing for school than it is for clubs. Because it's like all people from like really good teams. Like one
And I bet, oh, God.
This green and black shoe. He looks quick. I like it was that green and black shoes. You know the worst thing is about playing on this house in the park. It's so hard.
I don't even think it is. That's a good one.
Oh boy, he's gonna create for it. He's gonna bump off there.
Oh, I must now on the top of it.
Look at he's like a rhino. He literally done with someone there. And if he doesn't do it, I'm gonna think we should tell Cam that you're gonna bump him off it. Boys, get on it. Is
How
that
we going,
half
boys?
time or time? Who put you there?